Today, my topic of discussion is Venn diagram. I will discuss it with the help of few examples. Any problem, if we can represent it with the concept of sets, then we use Venn diagram to solve it easily. You can also follow other methods to solve it, but Venn diagram is the easiest method. Here is a question is that there is a group of 60 persons who can speak English, Bengali or both. Out of these, 40 can speak English and 30 can speak Bengali. Here if we go through the problem, then we can see that here it is mentioned that 40 people can speak English, but out of these 40 people, some people can also speak Bengali. Similarly, among these 30 people, some people can also speak English. So the question is that how many can speak both English and Bengali? How many can speak English only? How many can speak Bengali only? So let us draw this picture. Let this as the set of English pupil and this as a set of Bengali. English and Bengali. And these are the pupils who belonging to this intersecting part can speak both the languages. So let X person can speak both English and Bengali. So here I have taken X as a person who can speak both English and Bengali. To find the number of persons speak in English only. So for that we have to simply subtract X from 40. Means it is 40 and it is 30 and it is a X, so we have to simply subtract X from 40. 40 minus X. This is the X. Then we have to find the number of persons can speak in Bengali only. In the similar way, to simply subtract X from 30, it is 30 minus X. So if we add X, 40 minus X and 30 minus X, we will get the total number of persons. Means total persons equal to 40 minus X plus 30 minus X equal to 60. This we can cancel minus X plus X and we will add 40 and 30, that will give 70, and this minus X is remaining equal to 60. Now we are bringing this 60 in the left hand side and sending this x in the right hand side, that is minus 60 equal to x. So the value of x will be 10. So therefore total persons speak in both languages equal to 10. Now we have to find the number of persons can speak only in English, that is 40 minus the value of x, that is 10, equal to 30. 40 minus 10 is 30. Then we have to find the number of persons can speak only in Bengali, that is 30 minus 10, which will give 20. So this is the first problem. It has been completed. Next problem. In a class of 60 students, 20 plays football, 35 plays cricket and 10 plays both the games. Here the question is how many do not play any of the games, how many plays football only, how many plays cricket only. So for that we have to draw this diagram. Let this as a set of students who plays football, and this as the students who plays cricket. And pupils belonging to this intersecting part can play both the games. It has been mentioned in the question, that is 10. So 10 students play both cricket and football. So 20 minus 10 will give the number of persons who plays football only, that is 20 means the number of students who plays football, and 35 minus 10 gives the number of people who plays cricket only. That is 35 minus 10. So here 20 minus 10 will give 10, that is the number of student who plays football only, and 35 minus 10 will give 15 who plays cricket only. 25, it will be 25. Therefore number of students plays either cricket or football or both the games equal to 10 plus 25 plus 10. 10 plus 25 plus 10, which will give 45. Therefore, number of students do not play any game. Is a question, how many do not play any of the games? So the result will be 60 minus 45, which will give 15. So these are the few examples that I have explained today. So wait for my next video. Thank you.